Okay guys, when you're in a crawl space, there's a lot of moisture coming down from chimneys. This is an 80% furnace. So you can see I replaced all the ductwork going back to, this is Ohio. So in Ohio, so you can see this here, yeah. Replace this with 4-inch tin, which is legal here in Ohio. You do want to use double wall when you're working with the old gas water heater flue. But this is fine here in Ohio. 3-inch tin coming out of the exhaust on a 80% furnace. But you want to check this out because this is all rusted out before. Back in there, it's all rusted out. You can see what's left of it over here. I just kind of threw it back there. That was what was there. So all those fumes are just going up in the customer's house. She's up there vacuuming right now. But that was just, the whole thing was just rusted out completely. So check that out, guys, when you're out here looking at your service work. You're replacing inducer motors or blower motors or boards. Okay, guys, HVAC guy, tip of the day.